So guys, I'm here to show you how to transform your hair from this to I just came back from a 2 kilometers run and I just popped into the shower. For the purpose of this video, I am going to be doing it in my bathroom and it's echoing. So y'all gotta deal with that. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. But I have to talk as I'm doing this video because I wouldn't have the time to do a voiceover after I'm done with the video. So enjoy. Bear with me. Okay, so the few things that you're going to need for this tutorial, starting with a wide tooth comb. You need a detangling brush. Then you're gonna need something that looks like this for the waves. You're gonna need a spray bottle, leave-in conditioner, and then of course a little bit of gel. So let's get to it. So I'm going to start by unraveling my hair. And for the purpose of this video, I decided not to wash my hair because whenever I do this gel protective style, I don't carry it for long. So I'll probably need to wash my hair another week. So what's the point of washing my hair 2 times in 2 weeks? So I already filled my spray bottle with water. So what I'm going to do is make sure my hair is fully saturated with water. To detangle your hair when it's already been saturated with water. I think my hair is already a little bit detangled from the protective style I did last week, which is this. When you put your hair in a twist, it sort of like protects your hair, keeps it detangled throughout the period you're gonna carry it for. So as you can see, it's already legit detangled. And for this method to work, your hair has to be really detangled, because if it's not gonna lie, and if it doesn't lie, you're not gonna get waves. So once your hair is fully nicely detangled, like your hands can run through it without any snag, then you put your leave-in conditioner just to make it soft and nice to work with. And then I'm gonna go with my gel. This is the size I'm going to be using because I don't want to overdo it. Yeah. So after your gel, you brush. I'm just gonna put it away in a twist so I can do the back, and then I'll come back to it. I probably overdid it with my water saturation, and I will be able to get away with this because I'm doing this in my bathroom and I'm taking my shower right after this. Brush it down to activate the waves. Then I'm going to go ahead and start doing the other side of my hair without gel. So if you want to see how that happens, keep on watching. So my hair already has like its curl pattern. I don't know if you guys can see, but like it's more prominent at the back of my hair. I don't know, but I believe that the back of my hair could be 4B because of its curl pattern, but like the middle of my hair is proper 4C. Like I'm always battling with the middle of my hair. The tips of my hair are my problem. This is my problem. Like it's always so like sponge-like. So like I was saying, I'm trying the no gel method on this part of my hair for some of us that do not like to put gel on the hair. So make it back. Okay, so the last step, you gotta brush your hair. I believe this is what's it called? The total, like what sums the whole process up. You have to brush your hair. It sort of like activates your waves or something, I don't know. So, let me brush. And I believe the harder you brush, the better your waves turn. I don't know who makes all these rules. I'm just following rules basically. Trying it on my hair. So guys, this is it. This side has gel, this side doesn't have gel. As you can see, there's some fly away, Mary Jane fly away, if you can see. You know what, I might as well just go ahead and pack in more gel, just so that we can really see the difference between, you know, the gel part and the no gel part. A lot of people would use a do-rag after this to secure their hair while they wait for their waves to activate, but I don't have a do-rag. So I'm just going to go ahead. Boy, what's wrong with me? I'm just going to go ahead with my silk scarf because that's what I have. And I seriously believe they do almost the same thing. I mean, maybe not as good as a do-rag, but what the? So you tie your scarf nice and tight. Voila! Look at my body, God. This is some work. I mean, I do this style. I've done it a couple of times. I don't think I went all out like I just did for this video. It's not always this serious, trust me. You can just spray your hair and just comb it back and just use gel and boost. But for the purpose of this video, I had to be precise and whatever. Ignore my body.
I'm about to take a shower now and put some makeup on his face, and I'll be back. Banging.
So, moment of truth, guys. Are you ready? Ta-da! What do you think? So, can you guess what side is the gel side and what side is the no gel side? Can you guess? I pretty much wouldn't have guessed if I wasn't the one that had done it, but if you said the right, you were right. Oh my god, my light just went. Anyways, this is the right side, but I mean the left side isn't so shabby, is it? Like the no gel side, you know, still has some waves on it. So if your hair reacts to gel, I've heard some people say, oh, gel cuts their hair, or gel dries out their hair or breaks their hair, like stuff like that. But it doesn't really do shit to my hair, so I use it, I don't use it, just an option to me, choice. But if gel does one of those things to your hair, you can see that you don't really need it. Still gonna get waves without it. So thank you guys for watching this video. A couple of things. My hair was dirty before I did this process. Like I told you guys, I wanted to carry it for like 3 days tops before I wash my hair, and there was no point washing my hair just for this procedure. So I still had oil from the rice water experiment that I did. I'm still gonna post that video, and I still also have some rice water residue on my hair, so you probably would have seen flakes or whitish stuff on my hair. If you ask me, I feel like the gel would have activated more on cleaner hair. If I had washed my hair properly with a shampoo, I feel like I would have gotten more waves than I did get. So my advice to you, if you're trying out this, try it on clean hair. You'll definitely get better results on clean hair than on dirty hair. So yeah, that's that. Thank you once again for watching. I hope you did enjoy. If you have any questions for me, I'll be in the comment sections to answer them. I'm not a professional, but I believe I'll be able to answer some of your questions to the best of my knowledge. So yeah, and if you did enjoy the video, like the video and subscribe if you can. It would be really cool if you did subscribe, because I'm trying to make a comeback on YouTube. I've always had my channel on YouTube, but I've been absent. For lack of better words, I haven't uploaded anything for like, I think 3 years or so. So I'm trying to come back, guys. So support me, moral support, something. Please like, subscribe, comment, tell your friends, and I'll be eternally grateful for that. See you in my next video, hopefully. Bye.